Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's contoured non-stick hard anodized cookware. This is a 13-piece set which includes a 10 and 8-inch skillet, a 3.5 quart saute pan, a 4-quart Dutch oven, an 8-quart stock pot with a pasta insert, 1-quart saucepan, a 2.5 quart saucepan. All of this cookware is able to go into the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass lids, the tempered flat glass lids, are only oven safe up to 350 degrees. The elegant styling and a robust silhouette make for a professional look. Cook with added flair with this unique cookware.